My son.
Papa.
This gun was produced by the white men that came. It took the blacks, including your uncle, that's my brother. It took them time to learn and produce guns as good as this. Can you see it?
That's okay.
Okay. I want you to be greater than the whites and your uncle. That is why I sent you to him, to learn. Now, so far so good. How have you been coping?
Well, Father, so far so good. I have been able to
I can't get a room there, alright?
What about Kaima?
Kaima?
Yes.
No, that place, EFCC bust out. I don't like that place at all.
Nelly isn't call.
Don't tell me you've been checking hotels.
I'm just comfortable.
Are you that ras, baby? I need you to be there.
People are, oh, I'm not comfortable.
No matter what is happening, look up to God. Mama, and no one can get out on this EJ. Nama, it you go busy. Everyone wants to watch him all lagi. It you go busy. Everyone wants to watch him all lagi. One day, this go better. This must better. Don't give up. Hold on to your faith. Hold on to your faith. One day, this go better. Ian Yamufu, it you go busy. Everyone want to win the moon, watch him all lagi. Ian Yamufu, it you go busy. Want to win the moon, watch him all lagi. Don't give up. Hold on to your faith. One day, this go better. Your future is bright. Don't give up.
Hello, lady.
My car just broke down and my child is dying.
You're tired?
Yes.
Where is he or she?
He's at the hospital.
Okay, don't worry about that. I'll take you straight to the hospital right away. Then I'll come and check what's wrong with the car.
Thank you, sir.
Please
Thank
stop the
you.
car, okay?
Thank you.
Because he cannot destroy whom God have not destroyed. When you let go of your child, did you love your child? Millie Maluga, the cause of Palia. When you let go of your child, did you love your child so there? What kind of man are you? Why are you so wicked? I thought you a good man. I don't know you are evil.
is not here yet?
No, babe.
Please. You need to call them back and explain why they need to be here immediately. I wonder what kind of parents we have nowadays. Please do that immediately.
What kind of man are you?
Your daughter needs an emergency blood transfusion in order to save her life.
Doctor, use my blood. We share the same blood group. Please use my blood. Save my child, please.
Okay.
Please.
Okay, ma'am. According to the report, she was playing with friends when she passed out. So after the blood transfusion, I'll need to run some tests on her.
But she's going to be fine.
Of course. She will pull through. All is well, yeah? So, can we proceed to the lab now?
Yeah, immediately. Why not?
Are you her father?
No. I'm just a friend who would appreciate that you do everything within your reach to make her perfect.
It's fine.
Let's go.
What is happening? Look up to God. Mama, and no one can be alive on his EJ. Nama, it you go busy. Everyone wants to wear the moon, watch him all like it. It you go busy. Everyone wants to wear the moon, watch him all like it. Hold on to your faith, hold on to your faith. One day, this could be better. This must be better. Don't give up, don't give up. Hold on to your faith, hold on to your faith. One day, this could be better. Ian full, it you go busy. Everyone want to wear the moon, watch him all like it. Ian full, it you go busy. Everyone want to wear the moon, watch him all like it. Don't give up, don't give up. Hold on to your faith, hold on to your faith. One day, this could be better. Your future is bright. Don't give up, don't give up. Hold on to your faith. Your future is bright. One day, this could be better. Because you cannot destroy whom God have not destroyed. When you let go of your child, did you love your child now? Millie Maluga, the cause of Kalia. When you let go of your child, did you love your child so there? What kind of man are you? Why are you so wicked? I thought you a good man. I don't know you're evil.
Hello, sir.
Hello? Who is this?
I'm sorry, she forgot her phone.
Oh. So you are the one. So you're the one, eh? Okay. No problem. Okay.
Hello?
Okay. This woman.
memory is gone, you can't bring it back. Watch your steps, be careful in this life. Know who is your friend, know what you can do, know your limit, be careful with them. My girl kept better at times, she says sing, spare the road, spoil the child. Mama wuna, wafu mukene, if any man, if a Jordan.
So, how is your baby? Did you let her donate the blood?
Yes, I did. She's stable now.
Oh, thank God.
Thank you.
Thank God.
You know, I was going to ask, how did you get a mechanic to fix the car?
Oh, I didn't tell you. I'm a mechanic myself.
Wow.
Yes.
A mechanic?
Of course.
You don't look it.
Well, the reality is I'm a mechanic.
That's true. Wow, it's my first time meeting a mechanic. I mean,
that's not that hard.
No, that's not how I meant it. Wow, it's actually a pleasure. It's a pleasure.
My pleasure.
Okay.
Yes, that reminds me, your husband has been calling since. Yeah, you need to return the calls. I don't know what the issue is, but your phone has been off and on all the while.
I'll call him, okay?
Okay.
Yes,
good.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I really, really appreciate everything you did for me. I mean, your number?
Yeah, sure. I'll give you my number and I'll have yours.
Yes.
About the car, sorry, your oil, you have oil shortage, very serious one, yeah. I just tried to top it a bit. You need to do a total overhaul and servicing, okay?
Goodness, I don't know these things. Can you help me?
I'll help you. As I'm giving you my number, and I would like you to bring it to the workshop so we can...
Okay, you can just type it.
Okay, while you type yours,
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
No matter what is happening, look up to God. Mama, and no one can be around on this EJ. Nama, it you go busy.
Mom, I'm hungry.
What do you want to eat?
Fried rice.
Fried rice?
Yes.
I'll get it for you, okay?
Linda! Oh my God! Linda! Linda, what's wrong with you? Linda!
Baby, your food is ready. Baby, I've been waiting for you.
Are you stupid? Are you crazy? I was told my daughter was slaying and passed out. That was because you refused to come pick her up. Are you mad?
I was on my way.
Will you shut up, you bloody liar? You were busy frolicking with another man.
No.
I will kill you before the end of today and possibly kill that man you just told me.
No matter what is happening, look up to God. Mama, and no one can be on this EJ. Nama, Ian follow, Ian Yamo follow. It you go busy. Nama, Ebumo, what's a bueno, watch him all leggy. Nama, Ian follow, Ian Yamo follow. It you go busy. Ebumo, what's a bueno, watch him all leggy. Don't give up. Hold on to your faith. Hold on to your faith. Yeah. One day, things go better. This must better. Don't give up. Don't give up. Hold on to your faith. Hold on to your faith. One day, things go better. Ooh.
Mom! Mom!
Don't give up, don't give up. Hold on to your faith, hold on to your faith. One day, one day.
Mom, Dad beat you again. He beat you again, right?
That stupid thing!
Dad, could you please just stop hitting my mother already? Just stop it, I beg you, just stop it.
And who told you I hit your mother?
I don't need to be told that. Look at her neck.
Just go inside. I need to talk with your mother.
Dad, stop beating my mom.
Just go inside.
Dad!
Spoiled brat. That's actually a sign language. You've been the one polluting my daughter on how to disrespect me. Okay, you told my daughter that I beat you up.
How can I do that?
I'm not even started.
Look up to God. Mama, and no one can be alive on this each.
Babe. What was the meaning of that?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You are sorry. Is that all you have to say? I walked into the house and I met you lying on the couch with blood dripping from your hand and you were almost dying, you were unconscious. And you're telling me you are sorry. How does that explain anything?
Sorry. I am sorry. I was overwhelmed by my current situation. I couldn't think of any other thing that to end it.
Without thinking about me? Without considering what that would mean to me? How broken and devastated I would be? How could you be that selfish? I keep telling you to take these things easy. That in God's time everything will settle.
God's time. We've been 5 good years in this marriage. Yet, no child to show for it. Not even one.
That's not enough reason for you to do what you did. I've told you to stop bowing to pressure. You can't keep living at the whims and caprices of people.
You say all that as if it is easy. You're not the one being pointed at each time I pass. You're not the one being called by both parents every day, demanding for a child, asking me if I have conceived or not. You're not the one. You say all this as if it is easy.
I think I know what to do. I'm going to change your mobile number. Because I will not have them calling you to disturb you or mounting so much pressure on you. They want to kill you for me. What is all this about and why do you even let it get to you? Listen, babes. I'm sorry you're under this pressure. I'm going to do something about it. But you have to take it easy. Okay? What would have happened to me if something went wrong? How could I have survived that? Please. Don't do it like this again. Don't put me through this kind of scare.
So that's how she ran away from home, and then her parents were looking for her. She went to join her friends in the city. It was a sad experience. And then she squandered all the money she stole from her parents. At the end of the day, she started begging. Her friends left her, and she had no choice than to call her brother. to send her some money. And the brother advised her to come back home, that everybody's looking for her. And that's how she came back home, and her parents forgave her. Did you learn something? So what did you learn?
Never run away from home.
Never run away from home. That's a very good one. So, you know where to sleep? Want to say another story? I couldn't tell you another story. Okay, let me think of one. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to tell you about the beggar who became a millionaire.
So, what happens to the old building?
Well, it still stays. I'm considering giving it to Mike for all he has done, his loyalty and steadfastness over the years. Under probability though.
What is under probability?
Me handing it to him.
Babe, you cannot occupy the living room and the bedroom at the center. So please just give it to him.
Of course I will. He deserves it. I hope you like it.
I love it. You didn't even ask for my opinion. You just went on and you did all this by yourself.
I knew you would love it. That's why I did it. I know your taste. I know you like white. I know you like this touch. That reminds me. You know, there's this lady I saw on my way. Her car broke down and she was parked there crying profusely. I parked and asked her what the problem was. She told me her daughter was critically ill at the hospital and needed urgent attention. So I took her in my car, drove her to the hospital, came back, fixed her car and took it back there. But as God would have it, when I got there, she said the transfusion had been done and her daughter was stable.
Oh, that's a good news.
Yes.
And another good news is this.
Yes. Come, let me show you the bedroom.
Okay.
Good night.
And what do you think you're doing? Have you forgotten where you slept yesterday?
I don't understand. I slept there because of our daughter. I was watching over her.
Good. You have to go back and keep watching. Because she will not sleep in this room and on this bed again.
Ejike, why are you doing this? What have I done to deserve this ill-treatment from you? What is the problem? Why do you want to let devil to get into our marriage? Why?
Oh, you call the devil? A woman that has been sleeping around with men and forget her duty as a wife.
What is wrong with you? No. I will not take that accusation from you. Why would you say, you and I know I have never cheated on you since we started this marriage thing. I have never.
Okay.
What is the meaning of this? Stop this. I don't like it. Stop it.
Good woman. You know, I would have believed you. If not that I called you yesterday to know how my so-called beloved wife is doing. And instead of hearing her voice, I heard that of a man instead.
Yesterday. Oh my goodness. That must be Chi.
Oh.
What's that his name again?
Tell me about it.
Yeah, he gave me a lift when my car broke down on my way to the hospital. He gave me a lift. He helped me. That must have been his voice.
Oh, your car even broke down yesterday and you think this is the best time to tell me. You see, Nene, it's better for you to leave my house before I rehand you into prostitution, and that will be your last day on earth. You are a shower, and that is all you know how to do. You see, I was strictly warned not to marry into your family of ashawos, but I never listened. And look at it. Everything is playing out.
You know, I can take anything, but I will not have you insult my family. I will not.
You want to come and stain my purified bedspread with your spirit of ashawoism? That is bullshit. You can't do it in my house. It's not possible. Nonsense.
No matter what is happening, look up to God. Mama, and no one can be or this each. Namo, Ian Fuller, Ian Yamofuller, it you go BC. Namo, a woman wants to wear no watch him all leggy. Ian Fuller, Ian Yamofuller, it you go BC. A woman wants to wear no watch him all leggy. Don't give up. Hold on to your faith. Hold on to your faith. Yeah. One day. Things go better. Things must better. Don't give up. Don't give up. Hold on to your faith. Hold on to your faith. One day, things go better. Ian Fuller, Ian Yamofuller, it you go BC. A woman want to wear no watch him all leggy. Ian Fuller, Ian Yamofuller, it you go BC. A woman want to wear no watch him all leggy. Don't give up. Don't give up. Hold on to your faith. Hold on to your faith. One day.
Hey, babe. Your food is ready. Okay.
I'm not hungry.
Baby. Oh, I'm sorry. Just come and eat your food.
I'm not hungry.
I know it's about last night. I am sorry. Okay? It's just that I was tired and sleepy. But don't worry, I'll make it up to you tonight. But then again, babe, I really don't see the need of having sex. I mean, we've been doing this for over 5 years, yet nothing to show for it.
Babe, we have seen several gynecologists, and they've all attested that nothing is wrong with us. You are good, and I am good. Why don't we just keep trying and keep praying to God, hoping for a miracle? That's all we owe ourselves. Okay? Alright. I'm sorry I won't be eating now, but I'll be back before lunch.
Are you sure?
Yes. I'll just keep the food for me. I'll be back to eat it. I just want to go and discharge a car that's been at the workshop for a while now.
Okay.
Take care of yourself.
Don't eat anything out there, please.
Trust me.
Okay.
Alright. Bye-bye.
Bye.
And no one can be on this each. Namo, Ian Fuller, Ian Yamofuller, it you go BC. Namo, everyone want to wear no watch him all leggy. Ian Fuller, Ian Yamofuller, it you go BC. Everyone want to wear no watch him all leggy.
for making you to go late to school today. I'm sorry, what?
It's okay, Mom. You don't need to apologize. Not after sleeping on a couch last night.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Why is this water cold?
Doctor, it's okay. It's normal. That's the way you like it. You don't like your tea too hot. So I prepared it just the way you like it.
Nene, do you know that you're nothing but a swine?
Can I say
I don't have eyes.
Baby,
Look at what you served me with. Are you stupid? Look at what you served me with. Are you crazy? You mind the way you talk to me in this house? Look at what you served me with. Look, just look at it. Kitchen knife. If I use this knife on you, they'll say I'm a bad person. What type of a woman is this? Just think your stars that I'm in a very good mood this morning. I would have descended on you.
No matter what is happening, look up to God. Mama, and no one can better or this each. Nama, Ian follow, Ian Yamu follow. It you go missing. Nama, everyone to no watch him all leggy. Nama, Ian follow, Ian Yamu follow. It you go missing.
Hey. Let me have the car keys.
I want to go and drop her daughter. You know she's late for school.
I said let me have the car keys. You want to go and drop your daughter? Are you stupid?
Dad, why are you doing this?
If you talk to me in such a manner, I'll give you a dirty slap.
AJK, what is wrong with you? You want to slap our daughter? What has come over you?
No, don't provoke me this morning. You have done your worst inside. If you provoke me again, I will show you the way to hell. Nana, be very careful with me. Be very careful with me. Your mother has numerous friends that can get her a car. As far as I'm concerned, she will not drive this car from now henceforth. Do you understand me? Now, move.
I'm not going.
Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Do you want me to descend on you?
You have to go, okay?
I don't have time for others. Move. Don't bother picking her up. I'll do that myself. It is now my duty. I'll do it myself, you lazy woman. You overslept and you're blaming me for your laxity. Listen, you have friends that you can keep gallivanting with. I don't care. But as far as I'm concerned, from now on henceforth, be lazy. Go.
No matter what is happening, look up to God. Mama, and no one can bear or disease. Nama, Ian follow, Ian Yamo follow. It you go busy. Nama, everyone want to no watch him all leggy. Nama, Ian follow, Ian Yamo follow. It you go busy.
My mother-in-law called. She said she'll be coming over the weekend. And you know what that means. Obviously to come torment my life.
How do you know she's coming to torment you? Listen, you're not the only woman that's been married for 5 years without a child.
Sandra, I haven't even had a miscarriage. Not even one. A miscarriage, not even one.
I understand. But you don't have to start eating yourself up over what you know God is aware of.
God is aware of what? If he's aware of my situation, let him give me a child. Is that so much to ask? Let him give me a child.
In his time, not yours. You have to be patient with God.
Sandra, I am tired. I am tired of my present situation. The frustration is eating me up. It is crawling. It is taking the best part of me. Frustration is just crawling. It is eating me up. It is.
It's okay. It's okay. My sister stayed for over 10 years before God started giving her her own children. You don't need to start worrying yourself. Just hope and pray. Please, it's okay.
You want to understand, you're not in my shoes. You should as well tell me to wait the same way Sarah waited in the Bible. Don't tell me to wait for 90 years.
It's okay. Okay? It's okay. Stop worrying yourself. Is it until he kills you that you will leave his house, Nene? Eh?
Rita, what do you want me to do? What do you expect me to do? I'm only in this marriage because of my daughter. That's why I'm still here.
That girl is going to be motherless if you continue to live in this house. What kind of a man beat his wife at a slight provocation?
I don't even remember doing anything to provoke this man. Oh, I don't do anything. He just accuses me of infidelity. That's all. I don't know what I have done. I don't know.
I don't understand. You really shouldn't be around such a man. Eh? I know why I'm saying this, so. I know why I'm saying this to you, Nene. You have to be careful. That man you see is a monster in human form. Bless you.
I am only enduring because of my daughter. Because she has been so unhappy. Just because of the way the father treats me. She's so unhappy. You need to see her.
That man that cannot respect his wife in the presence of his child, you call a man? Oh, please come off it. That man is not a man. He's not a man at all. Can you imagine?
I'll be praying for him. I believe someday he will change. I believe so. God.
And you are still with that beast. What is going on with you? Leave that monster. Leave him alone. And move on. Eh? That man will kill you one day. Eh? Just look at you. You're killing yourself.
I'm so fat. Okay. I'm so fat. So much. I don't know where I got it wrong. I don't know.
One day, this could be better. This must be better. Don't give up, hold on to your faith. One day, this could be better.
I hope everything is alright. What is the problem? Yes, there's this lady I fixed her car that I'm trying to call to see how her sick child is faring, but it's like I've misplaced her number.
I got it, Bunda. This lady you are calling must be more important than this car you are fixing.
No, not really. It's just that I like her as a person. She seems a very nice lady.
Sir, that car you told me to fix, this spanner is not...
This wasn't the one I told you. I said take 24.
Okay.
Yeah, take 24.
Alright.
Alright.
Thank you.
Mother. Yeah, baby. Is it GK? What happened? GK is so sweet. I love that guy. See, I just wish there's a way I'll just get rid of that stupid wife and have him all to myself.
Marianne, what? Did you listen to what came out from that hole you call him man?
What nonsense is that?
So because you're sexually attracted to another woman's husband, that is why you want to get rid of her?
You don't get the point, do you?
Explain.
I am not just sexually attracted to him. I am in love with AGK. Yes, your baby's in love. What is this one saying? He's talking about sexually attracted to me.
Alright. Since you are in love, you can as well become his second wife.
God forbid. What's wrong with this girl? See, I can never be any man's second option. Never. I'm just trying to see if there's a way I'll just get rid of that stupid woman. And just have him all to myself. Honestly, you really need to get rid of you need to put the evil in your heart because it's too much. I beg shift. What's wrong with this one? See, I know your problem. I know your problem. Yes, I know your problem. You're jealous. Yes, you need to find yourself a man like AJK. Not all these stupid and useless boys are flying around the campus. Imagine this idiot. What do you mean?
Leave it for me, oh, Marianne. Leave it for me. Look, I'd rather follow the small boys on campus than drag my fellow woman's husband.
You wish.
Don't worry. The girl that will take your man, she's at the gym squatting. Time.
See that you just said? It is your portion. It's your own portion. Back to sender. If it's what you're praying for me, it will come to you. And be very careful what you say to me. Be very careful. Be very mindful, oh. Why am I even wasting my time talking to this?
Oh, really? You don't want them to do to you that which you are doing to another woman? Nonsense. I shall. I beg leave my phone, let me see. Don't match my bag, oh.
Place for evil.
Babe. Mama called.
Really? She didn't call you?
She said she'll be coming over the weekend.
Really? She didn't call you?
I believe you know why she's coming. Obviously to attack me.
Babe, you know I won't let that happen. Moreover, my mother is not that kind of person, so just remove your mind from that. She's not that kind of woman, okay?
Okay. Baby. There is this place I would want us to go to.
This bride doesn't look like mine, obviously. And it can't be my daughter's. Your teacher told me that you were not yourself today at school. And that she asked you some questions and you didn't reply her. Why?
That was because I'm not happy, Mom. I'm not. Dad can't keep treating you bad and you expect me to be happy about it. I'm not, and I'm sorry.
I understand. But you see, your dad is your dad. And trust me, I believe he's facing some challenges at his workplace.
You know you can't lie to me, Mommy.
Listen, everything is going to be fine. I don't want you to hate your dad. Okay, I understand.
What did I tell you when I was leaving in the morning?
Did I not tell you I would be the one to pick her up? So why did you go to her school to pick her up? So why did you go to her school? Oh, I'm talking about you're leaving.
What's the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Huh?
I don't understand.
Why won't you understand? Does this look like mine? Does this in any way look like mine? Huh?
Oh. Now I get the picture. So you want to equate me to your adulterous act, Abby?
Excuse me?
You go to your friends and borrow bra, and you now want to indict me.
I borrow bra. You're such a useless man.
Me?
You are a useless man.
Me?
Yes.
Are you mad? Leave my hand! Okay. She's the one that gave you that. She's the one that gave you that. Oh, you want to invite your friend to fight me. Fight me. Oh, she's the one that gave you that.
How dare you? How dare you? So you're missing your wife?
Eat your father and Eat your father and friend.
Hey! Jesus!
In my own house. Hey.
You are a woman. You are a useless man. Yes, it's useless.
3 rest of our work. That is what you want to do.
Yes.
Miss Oranya. Miss Wu.
Please, let's go. After all, he said we came with nothing. After all, he said you came with nothing. Let's go. Nonsense. Why is this?
Where did you take your friend?
Stop your house. Stop everything.
So you now brought your friend so that she will break our home after giving you bra so that you indict me.
You are just a useless man. I regret getting married to you. Yes, I am leaving you for good. Yes, useless man. You have to leave him. Let's go.
She can't take you.
Let's go. Let's go. Can you imagine? Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Have you seen this? Oh, leave her alone. Have you seen this?
Does this place look like
Leave the nail alone.
Does this place look like
I said you should leave the nail alone.
Won't you go to your house?
Go to which house? Her house is my house. Leave her alone.
Your house is yours?
Yes. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. I can't hear you. He said he's sorry, Odene. Don't mind him. I cannot hear you. Don't mind him. Speak loud.
Sorry.
Sorry for what? He is not sorry. Nene, he is trying to manipulate his way back to the house. Don't mind him.
Don't allow this woman to break her home. I've watched her breast size.
What people?
That bra is not for her. But I don't know how. I don't know how a bra came into a matrimonial home. I don't know.
You don't know.
See, please, leave her to go. We can sort ourselves out.
She is going with me.
Going with you
She
where?
is leaving this house.
Going with you where?
She is leaving this
Who
house.
are you?
You are a wife beater.
What do you do for a living?
You are a woman beater. That is what you are. Look at what you look. You are exchanging words with my friend.
It's not
You are
that.
exchanging words with my friend.
It's not.
I am done. Yes, you are done. I am telling you, you are done.
You know I can be aggressive, but the issue of bringing an external bra in our home is what I cannot do.
Oh yeah.
Because.
So the bra flew. Blue wings. Yes, so
that is what I don't know. Can't you see it's a black bra? Maybe it's witchcraft. I don't know. See, your breast is the only breast I know.
Hey!
Please, don't go.
Oh yeah. And you've been punching me. Punching me. Yes, so he has been punching you. Done.
No, other sisters.
You are done.
We are
He has
playing.
been
It's not a
punching
serious
you, Nene. You have to go.
For peace to reign, please punch me back. Swom, Biko, swom, Kudochia. Sweetheart, what are you still doing here? Not going to school yet?
I'm waiting for you.
Waiting for me? What about your mother? Is she not supposed to be the one to take you to school?
She said you are the one to take me to school, not her.
And why?
Have you forgotten you took your car from her?
Okay. And where is she? Where's your mother? And what is Annabelle still doing here? And what have you been doing upstairs?
You said you were going to drop her and pick her up from school, so she's waiting for you.
And what are you doing? Is it not your job? Are you not supposed to be the one to take Annabelle to school?
Well, the last time I checked, you collected the car key from me. You said I did not come to this house with nothing, so I gave it to you. You said...
You shut up. That's how you be polluting the mind of this young child. I collected the car. I asked you to give me the car keys and you gave it to me. Listen, go upstairs. Go to the second drawer. Take the car keys and take Annabelle to school. Fast.
Oh, okay. But I'm too tired to drive. So the thing is, we're going to get into keke. Let's go.
Are you trying to make me say it twice?
I am going to take her to school with keke.
Really? She will take you to school.
Are you ready for school?
Yes, Mom.
Remember what we discussed? Let's
Babe, what are we doing here?
This is the place I told you about. That will be going.
You said you were taking me somewhere special. What are we doing in the hospital?
It's a specialist hospital, baby. This is a new hospital in town. I even heard some of their doctors came from abroad. So you see, don't worry. I believe this will be our last bus stop.
But shouldn't you have told me about this?
I know. I'm sorry I didn't give you in details, but I'm sorry. I'm just sorry, okay? Please.
Anyways, listen. This will be the last hospital I'll be visiting for any fertility tests. I'm tired of going up and down repeating the same process.
There's no problem. I believe this will be our last too, okay? Let's just... This is an office, baby, please. Let's wait for the doctor.
One day, this could be better. This must be better. Don't give up. Hold on to your faith. Hold on to your faith. One day, this could be better. Ian full, Ian full. It you go be see.
Who is my lead 424? Miriam. What's going on? Why are you walked up? Is it GK? Yeah.
I left my underwear under Ejike's bed.
Hi!
Where the wife will see it. And up till now, he hasn't still called me. Or has she not seen the underwear?
Oh Jesus, oh Jesus, oh Jesus, oh my God. How did we know? Father Lord, where did I see this gift? What's wrong with this one? Miriam, you are sick. You are very, very sick. You mean you left your underwears in his house so his wife can find it?
You will come well, but you don't achieve. Eh? What have you achieved? You that is not sick. See, don't worry. By the time I'm AGK's wife, you will literally worship the ground I walk on. Very soon. Better get yourself a man like AGK. So when you go to his house, you can forget your hair, your toothbrush, your earring, anything at all. So when the wife comes, she will see it and she will leave the house for you. You will get married though. I don't know what is wrong with you.
I don't have any other thing to tell you, but this will be my last advice to you on this AGK's matter. You better retrace your step.
If not, I'd better go and sit down, retrace your step. I thought they marry first, so if you like they do all this nonsense they do. Now when they marry first, you go sit there and grow grey hairs. I go marry before you. See this one. They follow me talk. You don't even make problem.
Mr. Chibunna, I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting. I'm sorry, Mrs. Chibunna. I had to attend to a few things. Okay, a quick one. I'll run a quick test on both of you to be able to ascertain what the problem is.
Doctor, listen, this whole thing is beginning to wear us out. We have run so many tests with different gynecologists. What do you think will be different with this?
Baby, let's just be optimistic, okay? Everything will be fine.
Okay, if you say so. So, when are we running the tests?
Hold on just a few moments. Let me finish up. So, madam, what exactly is the issue, like you said before?
Good afternoon, Dad.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
And what of your mother?
She's not back from her shop yet. Her closing time is 5:30 and it's not 5:30 yet.
So how was school today?
It was fine.
Why are you eating this?
That's what I want to eat.
Your mom's car is parked outside.
She didn't go out with her car today.
And how did you go to school?
With Keke, and I came back with same Keke as well.
I am not collecting his car key and this time around. I will not take back that car. Nonsense.
If only you will stick to what you have just said now.
You see, this time around, I am sticking to it. Trust me.
Madam, the ball is in your court. It's better for you to be using public transport. It's better for you. That guy is using that car to entice you, which is not making sense. I don't want you to be insulted by that guy.
Babe, why do you talk like this now? Why? No, why? You know how difficult it is moving around in this area, you know.
I understand. Instead of you to be insulted, it's better for you to be using leg and be walking on the streets.
Well, me, I know that. You see, this time around, I am going to fight every temptation of that car.
Bam!
Because that car, why is that? They use and swear for me.
They use and swear for you.
No, now you they use and swear for
you. They use and really swear for you.
Shut up. Shut up.
Because of waiting.
Shut up.
Every time I want talk, I beg you, it's better for you to be using public transport.
It don't do now. Let me drink this more. You want this to choke me?
Make it choke you.
Make it choke me.
Yeah, choke Ogi.
You know, I don't even know what is wrong with my wife. She finds it so difficult to forgive and forget, even after I apologized. She says she won't be driving the black car just because I bought it with my money.
But I've told you before, right? She's simply angry with you. Do you understand that? I've told you to stop taking the car keys from her. This is not the first time I told you this. Listen. Calm down. Stop taking the car keys from her anytime you have a little quarrel with her, okay? It doesn't make sense. Can't you see?
You see, Kennedy, you don't understand. You don't know my wife. See, this singular act of mine is my own way of keeping her in check. You don't know this. This woman is a loose woman. Oh. She frolics with men. So each time I take the keys just to limit her, you don't know my wife. Oh.
So wait, calm down. So you think by taking the car keys from her is going to limit her from frolicking with men, right? Listen. You need to understand one thing, okay? You bought this car in her name, right?
Yeah.
So why are you dragging the ownership of the car with her?
Oh,
God, this is really funny.
I'm not.
My guy, you need to stop this thing. It doesn't make sense.
Babe.
Hello.
What's going on? You just abandoned me and never cared to call me again.
I'm sorry.
Is that it? You're sorry?
I'm sorry, I was busy. See, I have lots of work. I even came home now to take a very important file. So I'm sorry.
Too busy for me? Really? You know what? Just stop it, okay? You're pretty busy.
It's all right. I'll make it up to you. It's okay. It's okay.
Well, I am sure you know where to find me when you're done being pretty busy.
You are, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what is wrong with you? Seriously, what is really wrong with you?
I don't understand.
You are the one spoiling your family if you don't know.
Kennedy, no. I won't take it. Marianne is not the topic. We are talking about my wife. So please leave Marianne out of it. Let's go to the office, please.
You will not listen now. You're not going to listen to me now. You need to stop this, my guy. Seriously, you need to stop this.
Doctor, please. She shouldn't know about it. I want to presume you still practice doctor-patient confidentiality.
Yes, I do, but this is not right. I mean, she's your wife. She deserves to know. I believe you understand the emotional trauma she's passing through.
Doctor, she should not know about it. And it remains so. I have my reasons. Can't I trust you? It is going to break her heart. It's going to devastate her if she finds out. Please. She shouldn't know about it, at least not now.
Supposed to have a meeting today, but they cancelled it. When said let me come and spend more time with you people. You want to go? Yeah, so how is my son?
Your son is fine. He's not yet back from work.
Oh, he's not yet back.
How is everyone in the village?
We're all fine.
Mama, don't worry. Ago is not for the children of God.
Exactly, especially if children of God like you will provide for us, children of God.
Definitely.
Ago, Anna.
Mama Biko, just come and sit down and relax yourself. Let me get you water.
Why, the way you're pushing this my back and waist, it's not the same now. I don't know.
Mama, you said weekend, so you just took us by surprise.
And then when you were just there, as you're bringing water, let Apple come along. Oh no.
Yeah. Mama, I don't even know if you'll be coming today.
Because we're children of God and we cannot starve. Apple na milli. Maybe apple first before the water. I say milli. Milli. They change it. How about TV? Everything has changed in this house. Nakasi, you went to the bedroom direction. No, I think the kitchen is the other way. Oh my God, the apple matter. Hey, children of God will never starve. I say, ask, you shall receive. Seek, you will find. Hey, seek, look on baby, when I ask.
Mama? I'm telling you about the Panama. Hope all is well.
Oh.
Maybe I don't understand this question. Can't she visit again? Mama, because feel free to visit anytime you want.
Mom. I tell you that to be fair. Why would you ask that kind of question?
It's just an innocent question.
But, listen, I visited to find out how you people are living, if your house is peaceful, whether everything is moving on while we're waiting on the Lord.
As you can see, Mama, we are all peaceful and waiting on the Lord for a miracle.
Okay. For the peaceful question you asked, peaceful answer. Children of God are wise. So your wife said,
children of God will feed well.
Thank you.
Mama, so please, if you want more, I can go to the kitchen and get you more.
I think I've had enough for now.
Wait, Mama, you have eaten apple again before today?
4 bowls of apple.
Small 4 bowls.
Small, Mama. No, don't even say that they were very small.
Mama, you ate apple and now you are eating rice again.
Yes, ma'am. It's another bowl. Big balls. Consider them small, considering where I'm coming from.
Hey, Wanya.
And besides, the rice that I do not finish, you package it for me when I'm leaving in Bully now. Why?
You get good rice, where Bamoto never says again.
They will know that some people, children of God, are eating.
Mama, you not embarrass me in public.
No, now look at my age. Am I going to embarrass anybody?
On my way in no one got any rice. It's
okay.
Apple can't trade you
Mama, let's observe table manner.
Which is
eat and don't talk.
Hello, Mekwa.
That's how we do it here.
Eat and don't talk. Why and why didn't know?
Eat and
don't talk. Eat and don't talk.
Mama, I get a bit of fascination.
Can I talk?
You said you find it so hard to forgive. That is your problem. Forgiveness. What is so hard to forgive me over this little thing?
Little thing you say? You call it little thing? You freaking cheated on me. Okay, fine. Since you call it little thing, why don't I call Mama? No, let me call Mama. Let me tell her what exactly played out. You cheated on me on how much you want that bed, and you tell me I should forgive you. What nonsense!
I cheated. That's all I've been hearing from you. See, don't you sin. You sin and God forgives. And now it has gotten to your turn to forgive. You're now finding it so difficult to forgive.
Look at the way you're saying it. Laxity is a laxity for me. Don't I sin? Please, I don't have time for this nonsense. I don't have this time. I don't have time for this.
Sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. Please. Forgive me.
What is even really hurting me is that from the prior, you will know that the person is not worth it. What do I have that you're looking for outside? I don't have enough. Am I not endowed? What exactly have I not done for you? Am I not good to you? We just keep doing these things to me. You keep hurting me. What did I do to you? What did I do to you?
It's okay.
It's not fair. It's not fair what you're doing to me.
Sorry.
It's not fair.
I know what do around.
Huh?
Do you like it?
Mom, I can see you've made up with Dad. That's good.
Yeah, we're friends now. We're friends now, and I'm hoping it stays that way.
But Mom, I'm scared.
Why?
I don't think Dad has changed for the better yet. Why isn't he going to church on Sundays?
You know your dad. He's always busy with work and trying to...
Don't try to cover up for him, Mom. How can he change for the better if he doesn't go to church on Sundays? We go to church to better our life and to please God and humanity.
We do.
Yeah.
The thing is, I also wish that too. I also want him to always go to church with us. You know, I honestly wish that. Yeah? But not to worry. I'll speak to Dad to go to church with us this Sunday. How
Okay.
about that?
Okay.
Huh? You like that?
Yes.
Marianne, you've not been yourself for some days now. What is person wife? Why are you looking at me like that? Or are you not the one that is calling yourself a married man's wife?
See, Martha, I'm not in the mood. I'm not just in the mood this afternoon. I'm having issues with my man.
Issues?
Yes.
What kind of issues?
I confronted him over why he hasn't been calling me or even checking up on me. Do you know what he said?
What?
That he has been busy. Like how? How can Ejike be too busy for me?
My dear, you know Mr. Ejike has a job and a family to take care of. Not showering with your attention every now and then.
Martha, I should be his concern.
As what? His legally married wife or side hand? Sorry, cheek.
Are you mad? Is something wrong with your brain?
Okay.
See, if you know you will not console me, just better shut up your mouth.
You know what? You know you hate it when I tell you the truth. But I'll keep reminding you that Mr. Ejike has a job and he is married. So you don't expect him to shift his attention from his family to you just because you give him 15 minutes pleasure.
Martha, I said it's enough. Did you hear? I said it's enough. What is even wrong with this girl? Eh?
Leave a married man.
I will brush your face if you think you're mad. What was even wrong? Instead of her to even console me, she's busy talking nonsense.
From the test conducted, both of you are okay. I mean, there's nothing to getting there running test and test and test. I suggest you wait on God for His mercies. Both of you are very okay. While that happens, I will have to prescribe a few drugs for you. It will help. Okay? Okay.
Babe, I know the doctor didn't tell you what you expected to hear. But the truth is,
We cannot manufacture sickness for ourselves.
Tell me, how can a healthy couple not be able to produce a fetus? And you said we are not sick. Oh, we're obviously sick. Or maybe I am sick. Maybe I am the sick one.
Babe,
Yes.
stop saying this. You are not sick. The doctor has certified us okay. Listen, I think we should opt for his suggestion, IVF. People do it, you know.
People who do IVF are people who are medically unfit. We are medically fit. Why can't we procreate? Why?
It's okay.
Something is wrong somewhere. Something is obviously wrong with me.
Nothing is wrong with you. Stop this, please.
It should be me. Something is wrong somewhere.
Nothing is wrong with you, babes. Okay? Take it easy. Let us give this a trial.
No.
Please.
Failed you.
No, don't say that. Don't say that.
I have failed you.
Don't say that. You have not failed me, okay? We are going to pull through this together, okay?
I have failed.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
No, you don't have to be. We'll fight through this and come out stronger, okay?
You parked your car outside.
No.
So you're finally made up with your husband.
My dear. I have to now. He's the father to my child. I just have to.
Someone that is cheating on you? Is that one a husband?
Rita, please. It's okay. It's okay. Eh? Don't do.
Well, anyways, it's your life, my dear. You can do whatever you want with it. Okay? I am only advising you as a friend.
Rita, I appreciate your advice. You're a very caring friend. Honestly. But you see, I miss moving around with them in this town with the car. It's crazy. You see, my husband has promised me that he will change. And I believe him. He will change. You know, he's just stressed out. There's so many things out. He has so many things he's dealing with.
This is the 20th time he's saying this. Nene, wake up. Eh? This man keep on brainwashing you all the time.
Rita, Zoeke, rest in Jesus' name.
Amen.
You
rest.
need to rest. Rest. It's okay now. We've talked about it. You are still repeating the same thing. You want the whole world to know that my husband is a victim. Eh? Oh yeah, let me give you megaphone. No, I'll give you megaphone so you
give it to me.
Am I the first person that the husband is beating?
What kind of a woman beater is that?
It's love. I beg, it's okay. I beg.
Wow. Oh, yeah. Igwe. This girl will kill me. Hello. These pictures are too much now. You want to kill me. You want to kill me. Hey. You know what? Where are you right now? You know, I've missed that hair on your chest, that jubiga. I'm coming right away. All right. Hey.
God have not destroyed. When you let go of your chair, did you love your child? Millie Maluga, the cause of Alia. When you let go of your chair, did you love your joy so there? What kind of man are you? Why are you so wicked? I thought you a good man. I don't know you're evil.
Noticed you've been avoiding me. Kenny, what is it?
I mean, I'm not avoiding you, Mama.
Mama, I know what I see. You have been avoiding me. Mommy, I think I know why. It's because you have not fulfilled your conjugal obligation in your marital home. And you think that I'm angry. I am not angry. I understand what you're going through. Relax. I'm not that kind of woman to attack you. You heard me.
Mama, it saddens me. If I tell you I am happy, Mama, I am lying to you. It saddens me so much that I have failed woefully as a woman. It pains me that I have failed to do what is expected of me in this family as a woman. I am not happy at all. I can't even sleep. It's not like I'm not trying. I am trying.
It's okay. My son told me. Why? Not sleeping will not help matters. All you need to do is pray. Pray and fast. Continue praying and fasting and everything will be alright. Let me tell you this small story. You know, years ago when I got married, my husband was a very popular hunter. Everyone knew him and they expected his life to be just as big and, like he was. Manamwan. 4 good years of marriage. No child. People started talking to him anyhow. In short, hi. Then I started my fasting and praying. And God finally answered my prayers by giving me Chibunna. I want you to know that God will answer your prayers.
It's over 5 years. I am tired and frustrated. I am frustrated, Mama.
Wait on the Lord. I am assuring you that a miracle is about to take place. Hi. Oh, cartoon kina nenesi. You carry your baby kina and watch a cartoon. Especially in for Kenacho Bush. I like it. Tom and Johnson. Chineke, about can I believe Busu? Hi.
Babe. Yeah, it's my own little way of making it up to you.
Thank you so much.
Darling.
All this for me.
Just for you. I'm sorry for the long absence.
Thank you so much. You're the best.
Wow. You're a bad girl. Why did you send that in to me?
What do you have me do now? I was missing you. I didn't know what to do. I just had to send you. I knew I was going to get your attention.
Oh, I
sure I did
what
that.
I saw.
Mama, and no one can get on the CJ. Nama, it you go busy.
Okay, I'm done. Let me go dress the bed.
Okay, babe. Alright. I'll join you soon, okay?
Yes.
Right back.
Alright, darling. God, how do I tell her that I'm the one responsible for her situation? My mother gave me till month end to tell her. I wish I had told her the truth from the beginning. There is no way she wouldn't end things between us once she gets to find out the truth and how I've been covering it. For how long will I live like this, God? This is unfair. I don't think I'll tell her. It will shatter her heart. I can't do that to her, no.
And no one can get on the CJ. Nama, it you go busy. Everyone wants to watch him all like it you go busy. Everyone wants to watch him all like
Mom.
I haven't heard from your dad. It's not yet back and I'm worried. You don't think all is well with him, do you? That's what I'm saying. Like, he should make his calls. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm really worried. Have you tried calling any of his friends? Your dad doesn't have too many friends. The one I know of, I called him and he said he hasn't heard from me. Let's talk to God. I'm sure he has an answer to me like that this right now.
Can get me food.
How come you didn't come back last night and you didn't call me? You stayed, you were away last night. You could have called me to tell me you're not.
I am hungry and you're still questioning me. I don't understand. I'm hungry and you're asking. How is it your business if I didn't come back last night?
Sorry.
You're just questioning me. Is it your house? But
AGK, I don't understand what is going on with you.
You are going back to your old self and I do not like it. AGK, I don't like it.
wait. Come here. Come and repeat that thing. Come and repeat that thing that you said. Come. Come here.
Hello, Rita. How are you?
I'm fine. This one you're sounding this way. Is everything alright?
I'm not fine. He hits me again.
Oh my god.
Yes.
You see why you should leave that monster? Eh?
I should come to your house.
You see why you should leave that man, but you hardly listen.
Okay.
Leave that monster before he kills you.
I'm coming there now. I'm tired of all
I'm at home.
I'm so tired.
Alright. Hey, drive safely, okay? Drive safely.
Let me call you back.
Alright.
Good afternoon. Please, where can I get a mechanic workshop around here?
Oh, your car broke down?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
Thank
okay.
you.
You have to go down the road.
Down that road?
Down. That junction, when you get to that junction there that you're seeing now, when you get there, take your left.
Okay.
You will see signposts there, or you can as well ask anybody around. They will direct you to the workshop.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm sorry about that.
Thank you. Ha! Oh, that is Scotching son. Oh my goodness. Not again. I don't need this right now.
One day, this go better. This must better. Don't give
car broke down over there. I don't know if you can help me fix it, please.
Okay. What car model?
RAV4.
RAV4.
Yes, sir.
My senior colleague that deals on that model just stepped out. But please, you can wait. You will soon come back. Just exercise on little patient. Huh?
Okay, I'll wait.
And who said something?
Excuse me, sir. What do I offer you, sir?
Just get me whiskey.
Whiskey?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Your wife called me last night. She was worried about you not coming back home. What happened?
I was with Mariana. We had our night filled with fun.
Okay. Clap for yourself. Did you tell her you're not going to come back home?
Must I tell her every of my movements? I don't understand.
Ejike, what have come over you? Like, you amaze me. Is it that you don't have sense or what?
Kennedy, are you trying to insult me? No, I won't take that from you. What's the meaning of that now?
Listen. I don't care if you've decided to be cheating on your wife. Do you understand me? But courtesy demands you tell her your whereabouts. Like, if anything happens to you tomorrow, she will be the one answering questions. Common sense, which is not common anyways. What is wrong with you?
You always quick to advise people. I don't. You always quick. It is I don't know you.
Will you keep quiet? Keep quiet.
What you they do? You they tell me.
What's your problem?
You first you they advise. You tell her your whereabouts.
Madam, I don't know. He told me he wants to go and drop his wife. Didn't he? I don't know what he's keeping here.
I'm sorry. I can't wait anymore.
Okay, we can eat here. He's just coming.
Good afternoon. Sorry, I've been trying to reach you, but I realized I didn't save your number.
Same here.
Has it been long before?
40 minutes.
My God. Oga, do you know her? Of course I know her. I worked on her car the last time.
No, you didn't work my car. He helped me. And since then, my car hasn't developed any form of fault. And all of a sudden, my car just broke down.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. The thing is, I've actually been trying to reach you myself.
Me too.
But I couldn't find your number.
Me too.
Oh, God. Where did the car break down?
Over there. Right there.
I'm going to leave everything I'm doing now. We're going there right away.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome, please.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It was worth the wait, I tell you. It was worth the wait. Thank you. I was worth the wait. Girl, my car broke down. Yes, I later met the young man that helped me the other time. Yes, he's fixing the car right now. Listen, if I can't make it today, I promise I'll come tomorrow. Okay, fine, I'll try and make it today. Don't eat me. Alright, I'll see you later, okay? I'm fine, don't worry, I'm fine. Alright. Okay, see you soon. Alright.
We're done.
Done?
Yes.
You're a lifesaver, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my
Sorry,
goodness.
I'm dead.
Oh, nice life. It's fine. My goodness. Hold on. How are you able to move the car from that point to this point?
Of course, this is our job. I had to bypass some connections to make it get there.
You are a genius.
Thank you.
Wow. Oh my God, thank you so much. Why are you looking at me like that?
Sorry, madam, but there's this scar on your cheek I didn't see the last time we met. Is anything the problem?
It's nothing.
Abusive relationship.
It's nothing. Trust me.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You have a very big workshop here.
Oh, thank you very much. Now here we manage.
Manage? This is no manage. Wow.
And woe betide that man who delights seeing sadness in this beautiful face. I hope all is well.
How much am I paid? Don't worry, let me pay you.
No. This time, please. Give it to your sweet daughter. How is she, by the way?
Annabelle is fine. But you can't keep working for me for free. I mean, why are you doing all this?
Don't worry, let me be the judge of that. Okay?
I want to pay you.
No, man, I insist. Honestly. I insist, I want to do this for you.
You're a pro in this. Well done. I have to go. But are you sure you don't want me to pay you?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, and please, you deserve better.
It's an accident.
One day, this could be better. This must be better. Don't give up. Hold on to your faith. Hold on to your faith. One day, this could be better.
Rita, I have never met a man so kind and organized all my life.
But you said he's a mechanic.
Yes, that's the twist. He's a mechanic with a difference. Babe, I never see. Do you know how organized this man is? He's a mechanic with a difference. In fact, he is this mechanic that every other mechanic should learn from. Listen, do you know he fixed my car in less than an hour? Professionally. Omo, I throw a cap for him. He's sabi in work. He is special. Let me stretch it. He's special. See, this one. He's very, very organized. I mean, he knows how to talk to somebody, customer.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
I can tell he's special from the way you are describing him.
He is special.
He even made you forget that you were in tears before you met him.
Babe, stop. I'm telling you. This guy is good.
Are you serious?
I envy his wife. I know the life for you. He's married. He's married. I envy.
Enough of the praises. Now only one person they rain all these praises to. What's happen?
He deserves it.
Really?
He does.
Why were you crying over the phone today? What happened?
Sandra, why is life so unfair and cruel? Why?
Why is life so mean to me? I mean, where have I wronged God that He doesn't want to show me mercy? He doesn't want to forgive me and bless me with a child? Where? So you're still worrying about this? God's time is the best. God's time is the best. Sandra, I have waited for so long. When is God's time?
So, what do you intend to do after being patient with God?
Sandra, I have been meaning to tell you this. I really don't know how it will sound, but I've made up my mind to say it.
I need you to help me. Made up your mind about what?
Sandra, I want you to
I want you to sleep with my husband.
What? I sleep with your husband? God forbid.
Sandra, you need to help us. The doctor said we should do IVF. I heard it fails and it's quite expensive. Sandra, you are my trusted friend. You're like a sister to me. And that's why I want you to be the surrogate. Please, I would rather choose you than to go for a total stranger that will come into my home and destroy everything I've worked for. Please, just do this for me. Do this for me, please.
Have you discussed this with your husband?
Not yet. I just needed your approval.
Your husband, I know, will not agree to this because he knows it's wrong.
So that's a yes.
Thank you.
Even if he doesn't want to take another wife, which I know he will not agree to, but at least let him accept the idea of surrogacy. Please.
Surrogacy? What?
I'm obviously not fit.
What's the meaning of that?
It means allowing another woman to carry your child. Mama, it's obvious I'm not fit to carry my own child. Please.
Stop saying that. Eh? I know you will carry your own child in your womb. Her cousin Eva. Oh.
Mama, when? I have prayed and wept for nights now, waiting and seeking for the face of God, but yet God seems to be so far away from me. Mama, I don't know what else to do than to opt for surrogacy. I have lost lines of options. Mama, please, you need to help me. You need to help me talk to my husband. I need to carry my own child. I need a child of my own. I need a child, even if it's the last thing I'll do before I die.
Bamba, don't say that now. Why would you die? You're still too young. I promise you, you will carry your own child. You just said you fasted for days. Fast wait for months. God will make a way. He always does. Mama, or say die.
Mama, I am not getting any younger. I am not young. I am not getting any younger anymore. I need a child. I need you to talk to my husband.